Hi guys, welcome back to Zuri Interior. Today we are doing something super practical but very satisfying. We are updating our kitchen drawers and cabinets with shelf liners. I'll show you what I had before, what's available in the market, and why I chose this beautiful silver adhesive liner. Let's get into it. So this is my cabinet for mugs and glasses. I don't know if you can spot the reddish and yellow shelf liners I had before. These have definitely seen better days. Where? Now, I also have these 3 drawers. As you can see, the liners are not properly aligned. This is because, I moved with them from my previous place, so they don't quite fit the size of these current drawers, and that's why it called for the updating of the liners. We'll also be adding liners here. This is where I store my cooking pots. That's the cabinet right here. And finally, this other one where I keep my plates and serving bowls and cereal bowls. Before we begin the makeover, let me show you some of the shelf liner options available in the market, rather what I had to choose from. So there are different colors, textures and patterns, from neutral tones to bold colors, and even these transparent liners. Some are adhesive while others are non-slip. So depending on your style and function, you can choose what suits your kitchen best. I would love to know what you'd have chosen among these options. There's this gold, the silver, these ones which look a bit like foam and are more colorful. Then we have this clear one, it's also self-adhesive. Then we have these ones which are neutral colors in black and white. And then we also have these which are a bit more lighter but colorful. Anyway, now let's move on to the one I chose. I went with this silver self-adhesive shelf liner. It has a lovely engraved pattern, and I picked the 60. This is 60 centimeters by 5 meters. It's the bigger roll, and I believe it will be enough for all the spaces I've just shown you. And yes, while I work, I'm watching my own content. Number 1 fan. Yeah, that's Zuri Interior YouTube channel right there. Anyway, back to the shelf liner. So it has these grid lines at the back. They help with precise measurements and clean cuts. Like you just identify that line and then you cut across. Installation is super easy. You just peel off the backing and stick it down. That's it. Then now after that, you just smooth it out nicely, almost like you're polishing, just to make sure it holds firmly and then it doesn't get those 2 folds. And this is the final result. This is the top drawer. I basically keep my cutlery and serving spoons. Then we have this other one with strainers and extra spoons, my egg cutter hapo, and a few other things. And the last drawer has more of baking accessories. Anyway, after lining all that, I still have a good amount of roll left. So you guys can see, I think it will just be enough for the remaining cabinets. So this is the final look. Ebuona, my glass cabinet. Look at that silver reflection. I love it. And my mug shelf. This is one of, it's actually my favorite mug, and it's big. It's 500 ml. Simply blessed. Let me know what your favorite mug is written or how it looks like, because I'd love to know that in the comment section. Then this is the cabin where I put my plates and my bowls. And finally, the one with my cooking pots is also done. So anyway, as I told you guys, it's practical. It's a DIY project, so why not? Let me know what you think of my choice of shelf liner. Would you have picked the silver one, or would you have gone for a different style from the option I shared earlier? Let me know, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home styling tips from Zuri Interior. Bye.